Yes, there's no way you could be travelling across Delhi without seeing a political rally every few miles. 250 rallies planned by the BJP alone, and Amit Shah has unleashed his team of 120 MPs against Arvind Kejriwal. Sonia Gandhi also has now entered the fray with her very first rally in Delhi. And so, is this going to be, after all, a three-way contest? As BJP plays all its cards, have they done enough to checkmate Kejriwal?
Despite BJP's 120 voices deployed in the capital, the name and the face of the BJP campaign was missing for a short period. But now she is back.
दिल्ली का विकास भारत सरकार के विकास के साथ जोड़ने आई हूँ। मेरा तो नाम बदल गया है। अब मेरा नाम है विकास बेदी।
As Bedi aggressively campaigns across the city, her arch rival Arvind Kejriwal is also not holding back, attacking the BJP government on several issues.
हम अगर 49 दिन में रिश्वतखोरी बंद कर सकते हैं, बीजेपी वाले नहीं कर सकते 7 महीने में। झूठ बोल के वोट ले लिए और चुनाव जीतने के बाद बिजली कंपनियों के साथ जाके मिल गए, 15% बिजली के दाम बढ़ा दिए।
The muffler man entered this winter election with his armory filled with issues to take on the BJP, and the latter has resorted to the mega rollout led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
अगर नसीब के कारण पेट्रोल के दाम कम होते हैं, अगर नसीब के कारण डीजल के दाम कम होते हैं, अगर नसीब के कारण सामान्य मानवी के जेब के पैसे बच जाते हैं, तो फिर बदनसीब को लाने की जरूरत क्या है मेरे भाइयों?
But unfazed by BJP's mega deployment, Aam Aadmi Party continues to attack their competition, accusing the BJP of having no real agenda for the capital.
BJP from the word go has been extremely nervous about Delhi, and now they are actually hitting a stage of desperation, which is why you see from the BJP, you see a new strategy every day, you see a new personal attack every day, and yet no substantive issues are raised. No issues regarding what is it that they are going to do for Delhi, what agenda they have for Delhi.
Amidst this BJP versus AAP war of words, Congress president attempts to make it a three-way battle with her first rally this season.
उन्होंने कितने बड़े-बड़े वादे किए थे, आखिर उन वादों का क्या हुआ? अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाने की बजाय चुनाव टालती रही और दिल्ली को अपने हाल पर छोड़ दिया।
As we enter the last week before the D-Day, it remains to be seen what else the parties have up their sleeves to gain an edge over the others. Bureau Report, Times Now.